Welcome guys. Do you want to make money online or offline? I will show you 7 ways that you can make money that can use to make money after gaining this digital marketing knowledge you're going to be going through. So number one way I would like to discuss with you is to start selling digital product, that is ebooks, video courses, etc. If you have any knowledge or hobby on anything, whether you are a teacher, artist, or you play guitar, or whether you are a photographer, you have any knowledge, you can put that in the form of an ebook, video courses, and sell them on many platforms on your website. Then the number 2 is physical products or e-commerce business. Direct to consumer products from fashion to health etc. are getting easier to sell online, and today you can white label a product like supplements from Alibaba and sell it at a very high margin. Then affiliate marketing, the third way you can make money. You can sell or promote any company's products on your blog or placing ads on your YouTube channel or social media and collect commissions for driving sales. Many people have made 6 figures and above with this business model. Start a software company or a tech startup. That's number 4. The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is about starting a software business without having to spend money on physical inventory. There are so many opportunities to build something and sell it to somebody like you that have the same problem. Software is literally eating the world, and what I like most about it is that it is the recurring revenue and gross margins. So the next one, start creating e-commerce websites. When you are in the Trained Coach Academy course, you will be able to create world-class e-commerce websites without any technical knowledge. You can offer the services to businesses and charge high profit. And you can also start your own successful digital marketing agency. You can start your own advertising business and help companies to promote products or services online. So you can also start your own rewarding career in digital marketing. The 7th way is to make money after you gain this digital marketing knowledge that I'm going to be showing you is to get a job in digital marketing field, and the companies are paying nice packages for it. So that's it guys, and I hope you like and subscribe. I'm going to go into more details below, so I hope you read the description and get it.